All in good fun. All in good fun. Games. Here's some games. More games. Games that want to get out. Games. They vegetarize, you see. If you play the games, you're voluntarily taking a tranquilizer. I guess they gave you some chemical restraints. What they gave you, huh? Thorazine? Haldol? How much? Learn your drugs. Know your doses. It's elementary. Telephone call? That's communication with the outside world. Doctor's discretion. Hey, if all these nuts could just make phone calls, it would spread insanity through the whole network. Insanity buzzing through the minds of all these poor, sane people, infecting them, wackos everywhere, a plague of madness. In fact, very few of us here are actually mentally ill. I'm not saying you're not mentally ill, for all as I know you're as crazy as a loon. But that's not why you're here. No, that's not why you're here. You're here because of the system. The television, it's all right there. Look, listen, kneel, pray. Commercials. We're not productive anymore. We don't make things anymore. It's all automatic. So, what are we for then? Consumers! That's right! If you buy a lot of stuff, you're a good citizen. If you don't, they'll say you're mentally ill. If you buy a lot of things that you won't even need them, you're a very good citizen and you're playing a good role for humanity. But if you don't buy all the stuff they want you to, they say you're mentally ill. So, you want to watch a television show? You go to the charge nurse, you tell her the day, the time, and the show you want to see. But you have to tell her before the show comes on. Yeah, of course. You know, there was this guy, he was always requesting shows that had already passed. He couldn't quite understand that the charge nurse couldn't make it be yesterday. You cannot turn back time. Thank you, Einstein. Now, that guy, he was nuts. He was a fruitcake, Jim.